My name is 𝗃𝗂𝗃𝗃 and we are representing Team Germany. We have all set up these German food decor, German dishes and everything just for the giving us a German look to our kitchen. We were given a task to represent all the German things. It was hard but we did it. My team that is so great, so talented and Chef 𝗃𝗂𝗃 he helped us in it, he guided us, he's our advisor and this is Germany. We have this food, the decor, and we have a live station